Looking for a powerful and sustainable energy solution? Prodigy exclusive. Company is proud to announce the successful installation of a 3500-watt solar generator at Olawole Dawodu, Ifako, Gbagada, Lagos. This high-capacity solar generator is built for heavy-duty use, providing 3,500 watts of clean, reliable power to keep your home or business running without interruption. From refrigerators and TVs to multiple lights and appliances, this system has you covered. Our expert team ensures every installation is carried out with precision, delivering a system that's durable, efficient, and tailored to your energy needs. Say goodbye to noisy generators, fuel costs, and frequent power outages. With Prodigy exclusive company solar solutions, you get quiet, eco-friendly energy that saves you money and supports a greener. This 3,500-watt solar generator is a smart investment. It's low maintenance, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly, giving you peace of mind while powering your world. Ready to make the switch to solar? Call us now at 0912-441-8659 or connect with us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Prodigy Exclusive Company. Let us provide you with clean, reliable energy for your home or business. Prodigy Exclusive Company, delivering power, sustainability, and peace of mind.